Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. How is the youth standard bearer of a nation? Answer. Youth are the standard bearers of a nation because if their energy is properly channelized, it can bring great change in the social, economic and political life of the nation. Question 2. According to Iqbal, how can the youth change themselves? Answer. Iqbal says that youth's life is dynamic, not static. He enjoys the creative journey of exploration and innovation. They have the power to change themselves and bring a sea change in the social, political and economic fabric of the nation. Question 3. Read the third paragraph and write down the key idea. Answer. In this paragraph, Iqbal says that Muslim youth is like a Shaheen who flies higher and deeper. He believes in Ishq and Khudi. Ishq is a creative and dynamic energy that helps the youth to discover and subdue new fields of knowledge. While Khudi is a creative power which enables a person to make his own destiny and lead the world in his own direction. Question 4. What is the main idea of the lesson? Answer. The main idea of the lesson is that, according to Iqbal, youth of the Ummah is the real asset of Millat Islamiyah. If their energies are properly channelized and utilized, Muslim Ummah will rise as mighty power and no one will be able to subdue them. Question 5. According to Iqbal, the youth shouldn't confine to material achievement. Express your view on this statement. Answer. Iqbal says that Muslim youth should not confine to material achievement and worldly enjoyment. He should enjoy spiritual and creative journey of exploration, discovery, invention and innovation. He must be an explorer, a shaheen, a seer and an